Hey, what's up everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor, the channel where I pretty much talk about whatever stocks that I want to talk about. And in this video, I want to talk about highly anticipated IPOs that are potentially coming up here in 2019. There are a handful of multi-billion-dollar companies looking to go public this year, and we probably would have already had some big ones already going public, but with government shutdowns and potentially another government shutdown, there have been setbacks. But there are many employees and early investors that are very curious about what their net worth is going to be, and there's a lot of companies that are really pushing to get their IPO out there. So first up on this list is the world's largest ride-sharing company, Uber. Uber is looking at a valuation of $120 billion. All right, next is also a very large ride-sharing company, and that is LYFT. LYFT is looking at a valuation of $15 billion. Next is the workplace messaging application Slack, with a possible valuation of $10 billion. Next is the peer-to-peer property rental service AirBNB, with a possible valuation of $31 billion. Next is a company that created a very popular commission-free stock trading application, and that is Robinhood, with a possible evaluation of $5.5 billion. Next is a company that says they'll pick up and deliver just about anything, from something from a retail store, from a restaurant, alcohol, and that is Postmates, with a possible evaluation of $1 billion. Next is a real estate company that specializes in letting people share leases on workspace, and that is WeWork, with a possible valuation of $42 billion. Out of the 8 stocks that I just mentioned, I probably will buy 2 of them, but not on the IPO date, and that is Uber and Lyft. Now, the reason why I would not invest into them on the IPO date is that I've only ever invested into 2 IPOs in my life. One was Facebook, and I actually lost money on that because the stock went down shortly after the IPO, and I had no idea where that stock was going to go. So as it went back up, I sold it for about even where I bought it for, and that was a big mistake because obviously Facebook went on to make a lot more money. And then next is NIO. I bought NIO on its IPO date, and I actually made quite a bit of money off of that. I sold half the shares that I bought 2 days after the IPO for pretty much twice as much money as I bought them for. And then with the money that I sold it for, I then reinvested it back into NIO about a week later when the stock went back down to where, pretty much close to where the IPO was. And so I picked up twice as many shares for that. If anybody is investing into any of these companies I just mentioned, let me know in the comment section. Also, I'm curious if there's any IPOs coming out that you're excited for that I did not cover in this video. Anyways, I'll leave the video right there. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you for watching.